In this tutorial, I'll show you how to receive email notifications from Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, find the form you want to update and click Edit Form to open it in the form builder. At the top of the page, click Settings, then select Emails from the left sidebar. Click plus Add Email and choose Notification Email. If you're using a plan that supports notification emails, the notification settings will open. If you're on a plan with limitations, you may be prompted to upgrade before you can use this feature. In the notification settings, customize the subject if you'd like, and edit the email body to include the submission details you want to receive. Next, open the Recipients tab and enter the email address where you want notifications to be sent. You can also add additional recipients if your plan supports it. Review the sender name and reply to email settings, then open the Advanced tab and make sure the notification is configured to send when a submission is received. Click Save Email to apply your changes. To make sure everything is working correctly, submit a test response through your form and verify that the notification email arrives in your inbox. That's how to receive email notifications from Jotform. Thanks for watching.